In this video, you are going to learn how to go through exe.io short link and get to the link that you want to go. Hi guys! So you know there are websites that called URL shorteners and exe.io is one of them, and in most of the PTC websites as a earning option they have short links, and in those short links we have this exe.io shorten links. And not only that, you maybe find that in under YouTube video descriptions. So in this video I am going to help you to go through that exe.io shorten link and get to the link you wanted. Alright, the first thing we need to do is obviously click the link exe.io, and in this website I have to do a simple captcha before I visit in that link. That's not a problem. So okay, now it is redirecting to the exe.io website. After the web page is fully loaded, you can click this blue button that says click here to continue. You need to click it twice, and after that when you click it in the third time it will load the next web page. Then in the next web page, my guys, you need to click this continue button again. Once, not twice, but 3 times in that web page. Then my guys, all we have to do is wait 5 seconds. After that, we can click get link. This is the get link button. You need to click that get link button also 3 times. Then you will be redirecting to your desired website. That is how you do that.